In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your Canon Ivy Mini Photo printer with the Android phone. Now the first thing is to download the app from the App Store. So download Canon Mini Print Photo app. So in this app we have to add the printer. Now first we will load the paper. So you see there is an arrow button on the top. So slide it up and open this section. Here you have to load the photo paper. You will see this photo paper. The printing should be facing up like this. And now we can close it. So slide it, place it here like this, and then slide it backwards. Once you do it, press the power button until you see the light on this section. It will flash for some time. Now once it is stable, leave it. Go to your Android phone and make sure the Bluetooth is on. Go to the app and click this button on the top. Click allow and click on the add printer, and you will see Canon FDDE mini printer. Select it. Instantly it will add up the printer. Pair it. It is connected and it displays estimated level of battery. Now let's start printing. For example, select a photo. So here is a photo I'm going to print. Click top button. Preparing the print. So here is the print. So I can say the print quality is good and it really prints quickly and it's easy to set up and use with the app. So that's a good portable printer. You can take it anywhere you want and you can just print the photos. Now we can go back. So that's the actual photo and that's the printed photo. Thanks for watching.